Fatima Brohi and I belong to an indigenous tribe of Balochistan, Pakistan. I graduated from Institute of Business Management with a marketing degree. My culture is known to be 5,000 years old and is filled with beautiful traditions, music, dances and a lot of ancient wisdom. And having been one of the few girls in my tribe who acquired education, I became deeply interested in my culture and its ancient beauty. And as we all know, language is the most prominent part of any culture. My language, Brahui, is known to be one of the ancient languages of the world, and it is also included in the Dravidian family of languages. And the other Dravidian members, they are spread all across the globe, mainly in India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Singapore. By UNESCO, my language Brahui is included among the endangered languages of the world, and it has generated a wave of concern not just for me but my tribe as a whole. I take deep pride in being a Brahui. I take deep pride in my culture and I try to promote it as much as I can through my work, through social media and through what I wear, because I truly believe that together we can promote so many beautiful cultures out there. We can share it among each other to help them grow much better around the globe, because we together are going to promote our cultures, our identity and our